My people, I'm here with my kuya again. So he wants to throw more light concerning the volcano. For us to know if the thing is seasonal or not. Stay tuned. Let's hear from you. Kuya, since I'm here in Philippines, I've been hearing about volcano. So I would like you to throw more light on that. If it's seasonal or it's happening every time.
Okay, since Philippines is located in the Ring of Fire, here in the Philippines we have a lot of volcanoes also. We have a lot of active and dormant volcanoes. One is the Mayon volcano, which is the most famous one because of its shape, perfect cone, as they say, inverted perfect cone. So that's one of the most popular and active volcanoes. It's located in Bicol region. Now, the next one that I'm going to share to you is the Mount Pinatubo.
Okay, sir.
It's one of the deadliest volcanic eruption that ever happened quite some time ago.
Okay,
And I
sir.
experienced this because I live near that volcano. It's in Zambales, and I came from Zambales also.
Yes, sir.
That erupted in the 1990s, where a lot of places were destructed, not just here in Luzon but also some part of the country where the jet stream,
Okay, sir.
no, the ashes just reached the jet stream. Imagine how the jet stream is, and the ashes was scattered almost part of the, not here in the Philippines, also went to other places, other countries. So it lasted quite some time, too long. And as you can see before, when it erupted, it had changed the settings of the places, like in Pampanga.
Wow.
Yeah, it almost distracted a lot of town, a lot of provinces like that.
Oh my God.
A lot of people were affected so much because of that.
Oh my God.
Some people were relocated and their properties were buried in a lot of volcanic debris.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, when I was in the high school at that time, so when it erupted, I almost think that it was the end of the world because it's total darkness, then heavy rain, electricity, and you can see the sky. It's like painting red when it,
Oh my God.
yeah, when it's erupting. You can see
The cloud and everywhere will be dark.
during the day you saw the cloud of the Mount Pinatubo eruption. It's like a huge mushroom.
Oh my God. So, sir, is it a seasonal or
No.
it happen every time?
No. You don't actually. We don't predict when those eruptions are going to happen.
Oh my God.
We cannot predict, even though the scientists or professionals cannot predict when a volcano can erupt.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Like, it started like how many years now?
The Mount
Okay.
Pinatubo eruption.
Yeah,
It was in the 90s.
90s.
Yeah, 1990s.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Sir, can you tell my fans and I the name in Tagalog, being your dialect language? I mean the volcano.
In Filipino, we call it volcan.
Volcano. Okay.
Yeah, volcan.
Okay.
Volcanoes are called volcan.
Okay, sir. So what's the advantage and the disadvantage? So
Well-
people would like to hear.
Majority of those events, a lot of say that disadvantage was more
Harm.
weight
Oh my God.
because a lot of properties were destructed,
Oh my God.
a lot of lives were affected, some
Oh my God.
lost their loved ones,
Yes, sir.
but most of them definitely were so much affected.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm so happy that you explained this to me and the audience because I've been hearing about the volcano since I came to Philippines.
No.
So I've been searching for someone to throw more light on this. But luckily for me today,
Okay.
I meet you and you throw more light on that. I'm so much happy. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
For meeting you. It's my pleasure. Thank you, sir.
Nowadays, you can visit Mount Pinatubo in Zambales or in Tarlac, and it's now a tourist attraction.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. That is a nice idea. I'm so much happy. Thank you, sir.